Today in the AI Movie Lab, we ran a new experiment to see if AI video could make street wall art come to life. The goal was simple: create a realistic mural on a brick wall and have the artwork push out into the real world in 3D. At first, the results were messy. The video model kept restarting the scene after about 5 seconds, breaking continuity and ruining the illusion. We ran several tests to figure out the problem. The original version used 2 cats, a real cat and a mural cat, which confused the model. The system couldn't decide which subject should animate, so the director changed the approach. We simplified the scene to 1 animated subject and 1 reacting person. Then we switched to a keyframe workflow. First, we generated a clean mural image on a brick wall. Then we used image-to-video generation to start the clip. Instead of regenerating the entire video each time, we extended the clip step by step using the previous frames as the starting point. This created a stable timeline with no frame resets. Finally, the mural cat pushed through the wall in 3D and the person walking by jumped back in surprise. The key lesson from this experiment is simple. When generating AI video illusions, start with a strong keyframe and extend the scene forward instead of regenerating it. Keyframe, extend, trim, extend. This workflow creates much more stable results and makes complex visual effects like murals coming to life possible. More AI filmmaking experiments coming soon from the lab.